This week's phonics lesson is lesson 16, and it covers the letters A, I, F, G, S, and W. Going over the letters, I want you to name the letters and their common sounds. If you are nonverbal, you can say the letters and their sounds in your mind. Let's begin. Our first letter is letter A. A makes the A sound. Can you make the letter A sound with me? A. A. Our next letter is letter I. Letter I makes the I sound. Can you make the letter I sound with me? I. I. Our next letter is letter F. Letter F makes the F sound. Can you make the letter F sound with me? F. F. You're doing great. Our next letter is letter G. Letter G makes the G sound. Can you make the letter G sound with me? G. G. Our next letter is letter S. Letter S makes the S sound. Can you make the letter S sound with me? S. S. And our last letter is letter W. Letter W makes the W sound. Can you make the letter W sound with me? W. W. Now, using the letters that we just reviewed, we're going to make words. Our first word has 2 letters in it. Our first letter that we need to find makes the I sound. Can you find the letter that makes the I sound? You can point to it or circle it, or even say it out loud. If you chose letter I, you're correct. I makes the I sound. I is the first letter of our word. Our next letter makes the the S sound. S. Which letter makes the S sound? If you chose letter S, you are correct. S makes the S sound, and S is the second letter of our word. I-S spells is. Is. Our next letter, or our next word, has 3 letters in it. The first letter makes the S sound. S. Now we just did this letter with our previous word. What letter makes the S sound? If you chose letter S, you are correct. S is our first letter of our word. Our second letter makes the A sound. A. Which letter makes the A sound? Can you point to it? Or even say it out loud? If you chose letter A, you are correct. Letter A is the second letter of our word. The last letter of this word makes the W sound. W. Can you find the letter that makes the W sound? If you chose letter W, you're correct. Our third letter is W. S-A-W spells saw. Saw. Our next word has 4 letters in it. Our first letter makes the W sound. Again, we just did this letter in our previous word. There's a hint. Which letter makes the W sound? If you chose letter W, you chose correctly. W is our first letter of our word. Our second letter makes the A sound. Which letter makes the A sound? If you chose letter A, you are correct again. A is the second letter in our word. Our third letter makes the G sound. G. Can you find the letter that makes the G sound? If you chose letter G, great job. You're correct. G is our third letter in our word. Now, our last letter makes the S sound. S. Can you find the letter that makes the S sound? If you chose letter S, you're correct. S makes the S sound and is the last letter of our word. W-A-G-S spells wags. Wags. Great job. Our next section is word sort. So we're going to count the number of letters in each word. Our first letter or word, I do that a lot. Our first word is if. So looking at the word if, we see that it is spelled I-F. Let's count the letters together. 1, 2. The word if has 2 letters. Our second word is is. Is spelled I-S. Let's count the letters again together. 1, 2. The word is has 2 letters in it. Our last word on this page is as. As is spelled A-S. Let's count the letters together. 1, 2. The word as has 2 letters in it as well. Great job. Our next page has 3 words on it as well. Let's count the number of letters in each word. Our first word is was. Was. Was is spelled W-A-S. Let's count the letters together. 1, 2, 3. Was has 3 letters in it. Our second word is wag. Wag is spelled W-A-G. Let's count the letters together. 1, 2, 3. Wag has 3 letters in it. The last word on our page is wags. Wags. W-A-G-S. Wags. Let's count the letters together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wags has 4 letters in it. You are doing fantastic. Our last section is finding the word that ends with IG. Ig. Our first word is wag, and our second word is wig. Which word ends with IG? The sound ig. You may point, circle, or say that word out loud. If you chose the word wig, you're correct. Great job. Our second batch of words is bag and big. I would like you to do the same thing. Find the word that ends with IG, the sound ig. Find that word now. If you chose the word big, you chose correctly. Great job. Our last section is transfer words. I want you to find the letter that the word begins with. This first word is same. Same. Listening to the beginning of the word same, I hear the sound s. Which letter below makes the s sound? Can you point or circle that letter or even say it out loud? Which letter makes the s sound? If you picked letter S, you're correct. S is in the beginning of the word same. Our last word is finger. Finger. Which letter does the word finger begin with? In the beginning of the word finger, I hear the f sound. Which letter below makes the f sound? If you chose letter F, you're correct. There's an F at the beginning of the word finger, and letter F makes the f sound. That is the end of Phonics Lesson 16. Great job.